In this video, we will show you how to share location on Android. There are two methods. First is share your live location, and then the second is share the place location. If you want to share your live location in here, first you need to turn on your GPS. Okay, in here I will select my location active here. Make sure this is active to share your current location or your live location. Okay, now you can open the Google Maps. Okay, just open the Google Maps here. You will see there is your current location. If you just open the Google Maps, you will see there is dot with blue color like this, and to get the share location you can just click this. Just click one time for your current location. Okay, after you click one time in here, you can see there will appear share location. This is the share location button. Just click this. Okay, you can see there the share your current location have two options. Okay, you can using the hour or until you turn this off. Okay, I will make this using hour. So for example, I add 10 hours to share our current location here. Then we can copy this. Okay, you can see there we can copy this and we can click share. You can see there after we click share, okay, we can copy the sharing file link. Okay, just copy this link. Now you can share the location or your current location into WhatsApp, your social media, or your friends, for example. But in here I want just to put in my notes. Okay, and the URL appear look like this, for example. Okay, if I add the notes, okay, for example, this is in WhatsApp, just for example. Okay, hi friend, this is my location. Okay, then you can paste your location here. So people with this link or click this link will direct into your location. The number second is share the place. Okay, just reopen our Google Maps again. For example, in here you have the place. I click back button. Okay, for example, in here let's New York Mall, for example, like this. Then you can click share location by clicking this button. Just click this button. Then you can copy to clipboard. Now you can send into your friends again. Okay, I will put the place in here. This is, for example, place, and you can paste look like this. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to share location using current location or live location or using place location. Hope this video helpful for you.